Okay, guys, this will be part four, I guess. The last one, part 1B, actually is part three. Let's continue on and make this part four of assignment one. As you can see, I left off right here where it has all the holes and center lines. We need to make this slot, so we need to draw the two lines to make the slot down here. So let's do that first. So really easy. All we're doing is drawing a line tangent of this circle here to tangent of that circle there. That's it. Line again, tangent of this circle here to tangent of this circle there. That's it. And now let's do the trim command real quick. While we're thinking about it, we're going to trim this and anything inside of it, which happens to be these two things here. So there's your slot. That was pretty quick and easy. So now what's next on our drawings? We've got the slot. That's what we just did. All of that. And now it looks like this. Now let's go ahead and do the polygon. Polygon, you're going to see on rare occasion you could do polygon, so we'll do that first. So what we're going to do is type in polygon. Polygon. And it asks you for how many sides. Well, how many sides does that thing have in it? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides. So we'll pick 6 sides. Specify center of polygon. Well, here we've got a center of an arc here, center of a circle. So why not type in CEN? So we can say force the center. There it goes. It picked it automatically. And now it says inscribed or circumscribed. Well, what do the instructions say to do? It says to do circumscribed. C. You see that right there? So that's circumscribed, which means that the polygon is surrounding the actual circle that it will be circumscribed around the outside of it, okay? Inscribed would be the polygon's inside of the circle that you're giving the dimension for. It's going to give you a radius for the polygon to follow. So we're about to do that right now. So how do we do this? We do polygon, 6 sides, and then it says enter an option, circumscribed, so let's do that. It is circumscribed. And there's your polygon. You can move your mouse around, you can see. And then it asks, and then it basically you can set this at a certain angle. If I hit F8, there it is. It's that free angle, and it's going to be something like this. And I think it's going to ask you there in the thing to do the at 0.875, which is the distance less than an angle. So that's what we'll do. At 0.875 less than, what was that angle? It was, I forgot it already, 67.5. There you go. And it puts the polygon exactly where we want it according to the drawing. So there it is right there. And there's the polygon there. So all that is done. We're going to move down, and now it's asking you to do the break command. The break command is a very nice command to shorten lines. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Basically, they just want to shorten these lines down. We're going to shorten all these lines down around these center lines, okay? Because they're extending out too far. And we're going to fix that. So why don't we try that here? It's going to be BR, break command. And basically, wherever you pick it, right there, it basically draws an imaginary cut point right there. So all you do is take your mouse and you go beyond the line. And if I pick beyond the line, everything beyond that first click point goes away. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. Break. From here to here. From here to here. We'll make these both the same. We'll leave that one there. That's good. Break. Because we only want it to go outside of that arc. Outside of the arc. Alright, and this one is the center of this arc here, so I guess it should be okay. We'll leave it there. Now you notice that my lines don't look very good. They look kind of all chopped up and stuff. And over here, let's break this down. We don't need it to go far out. Touch here, go outside of it. That looks fine there. This looks fine here. We'll go a little shorter here. So that looks good, just like that. So, and right here, these are a little bit too long too. So let's drop those a little bit short, that shorter right there. Okay, so those look good. But now look how, you notice how the lines don't look very good. They don't look like a center line. It looks like a solid line. So there's a way to fix that. It's called LTscale. LTscale. And what that is that is called line type scale. So the line type that you picked, which was the center line, which is the dash, long dash, short dash, long dash, short dash, you can actually change the scale of it so that you can show more of the dashes in the line. So it doesn't affect anything else on the drawing, only the lines themselves that have special patterns in it. So why don't we go with 0.75 first and just take a look and see how it looks. Okay, it looks a little better. It definitely see the center line here. I think we could probably go a little bit smaller, so we'll pick that same thing again and do 0.5. There you go. That looks much better. So now you can tell those are center lines. Alright, so we're good there. And what else is left here next? Got the center lines all done up. It doesn't tell you a lot of that in here, but I'm giving you a little more aesthetics. And that's what we want to make sure is everything aesthetically is done. So next is going to be dimensioning. So we'll tackle that on part 5 coming up now. Thanks.